You know how I told you guys that I was feeling a little bit insecure? I just didn't really know if you guys actually liked me for who I was. I know sometimes maybe I say some bad words, but you know that it's all a joke, right? So, I just wanted to... I just wanted to say, chat, that It seems something's kind of wrong. But don't worry, I'm still here. I think there's just some technical difficulties with either OBS or YouTube, as usual. No biggie, guys. Don't worry about it. It'll pass. Chat, I just wanted to ask you guys, do you guys really love me? Because I really love each and every single one of you, and I just wanted to confirm if the feelings were mutual. How about I make a poll asking how many of you guys really, really, truly loved me from the bottom of your heart? How about that? Let me type that right now. Do you guys love Enna Alouette? There.
Come on, guys. That's all? I thought you guys loved me even more than that. I thought you guys would support me no matter what.
What do you mean I'm looking a little different today?
What do you mean I'm scaring you guys?
That's not fair. You told me that you loved me no matter what I did or do. Was it a lie? Did you lie to me? I don't like being lied to. Tell me I'm pretty. Tell me I'm kind. Tell me I'm wholesome. What? I'm being weird? What do you